Monday, April 22nd is Earth Day, and the theme for 2019 is Protect Our Species. This year, my family will work on saving the honeybees. Hi, I'm Kaitlin Smith. I am a homeschooled 5th grader, and I want to share my love of learning and the tools I use with you. If this is your first time visiting my channel, consider subscribing. Everything that I'll be mentioning in this video is linked in the description below. 1/3 of the U.S. diet is derived from insect-pollinated plants, and honeybees are responsible for 80% of that process, making them critical to the health of our planet and the food chain. Buying honey from your local beekeeper not only supports a small business, but helps our planet as well. Beekeepers are careful to apply the best practices that support bee health and pay attention to clean forage. I have some links in the description below for my favorite local beekeeper, Cottontown Bee Company. He currently sells delicious homemade honey and a variety of homemade lip balms. You can also check out the National Honey Board at honey.com for more information, recipes, and activity sheets. Make sure you go check out my Pinterest board, The Science of Bees, and my previous Earth Day video. I will have both of these linked in the description below. What's your favorite local honey brand? What are you doing to help save the honeybees? Tell me in the comments below. That wraps up this video. Don't forget to give it a like, share, and if you would like to see more content like this, click the subscribe button. And if you want, you can ring the bell for notifications too. Everything I have mentioned in this video is linked in the description below. This has been Kaitlin Smith for HomeSchooled. Until next time.